most delicious Khao Soi noodle in Bangkok. Samagon Weekend Market. Today we are going to try the best Khao Soi in Bangkok. With its authentic traditional northern flavor, Khao Soi is a great and delicious meal to try when visiting Thailand. You can also find this dish in Laos, Myanmar, and the northern part of Thailand. It is delicious with its coconut curry and its egg noodles, but the difference in the northern Thai Khao Soi lies in its crispy stir-fried noodle that gives it that crunchy feeling. Pickled vegetables, string beans, I think maybe a spoon better for that, some cabbages, red onions, chili. Sydney is having chicken butt, and we forgot, yeah. Okay, sprouts. You hear that? Like a crunchy sound with lots of the ingredients there. Creamy, but a little spicy, creamy with the coconut. Perfect. Love that crunchy texture. Yes, correct. Chicken butt. Chicken butt. It's good. There's like small little tiny bones in the chicken butt. I mean, it's delicious. What part is it? Oh, okay. This is the soft bone, like in the between the chest. There's a little soft bone. Oh, good. Very crunchy. They say have lots of collagen, but I don't know about that, but it's delicious. If you travel up north, don't forget to try this dish, the Khao Soi. It's a signature dish that you have to try with the delicious flavor of the creamy curry coconut broth. You have to try it. So today we come here at the Samagon Weekend Market. There are many different weekend markets here in Bangkok, but the difference is here at the Samagon Weekend Market caters more towards the quality food and products. The market is located in front of Samagon Village on Ram Kham Heng 110, and it is open only on Saturdays and Sundays from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. There's really only two zones in this Samagon Weekend Market. The first one is the food zone. That's where all the varieties of premium quality food with affordable prices are. But you should be warned that you might have the same problem every single time I come here. And that is the difficult decision on what to eat, because everything looks so delicious and I really want to try them all. And the other zone is, of course, the non-food zone. And here are all the varieties of things that you can imagine, like furniture, fashion wares, toys, or even electrical appliances.
เคเอาสาคูถุงหนึ่งแล้วก็เอา Samagon weekend market.
I had chicken butt.
Sini had chicken butt for lunch, and then we had the Khao Soi. Also has some fried noodles in there. That's delicious. Lots of varieties of colors and textures. So maybe
and lots of vegetables.
Yes, loads of vegetables. So don't forget to check that out. Especially if you go traveling up north, this is something that you must try. For three of us, is about 150 baht. No, 150, including drinks. We got traditional Thai drink made from flour, kek hoi flour. It's supposed to help you with reducing body heat and stuff. It's very good. Yeah, but it's very sweet, so don't drink it too much. And be careful when you say kek hoi. It starts with an H, not a K. K means something completely inappropriate. Okay. After the delicious but sweaty market walk today, we decide to stop at this coffee shop, relax in the air condition with some much needed coffee and sweets. Stop listen. Coffee and cake. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode and learned a few new things. So I post new content every single week. If you enjoy it, don't forget to press that like and subscribe. Thank you for spending this time with me and hope to see you again next week. Gotta go. Bye!